Hello and welcome to Thursday's Thought for the Day, taken from Psalm 15, 1 Samuel 12 and Luke 22. Do take time to read those readings now. Luke 22 verse 53 says, "But this is your hour and the power of darkness." There are many people involved in the story of the Passion of Jesus. Now for the first time we meet the crowd. Judas betrays Jesus with a kiss. A disciple wields a sword and a servant loses an ear, only to have Jesus touch him and heal him. A great list of officials have come to make the arrest: chief priests, officers of the temple, police, and elders. And there are many others who are not as prominent also in the courtyard: a servant girl, a man, and someone else. Each has their story of what happened, and each has a part in what happens. Each one intersects for a moment with the great drama of salvation. But Luke makes it clear at each point in the story that there are other, more powerful forces at work here beyond the understanding of the human participants. Earlier in this chapter, Satan demanded to sift the disciples like wheat, Luke 22, verse 31. Here Jesus says to the officials, "But this is your hour and the power of darkness." And deeper still is the sense that even in the midst of betrayal and denial, pain and evil, there is even greater mystery unfolding. The disciples will sit on the thrones, judging the 12 tribes of Israel, Luke 22 verse 30. "This scripture must be fulfilled in me," Luke 22 verse 37. "Not my will, but yours be done," Luke 22 verse 42. Even the prediction of Peter's denial is a lifeline of God's grace within those terrible events.